Hi there, my name is Nazreen Mohamed and I work at Luno. Luno is a pioneer for cryptocurrency, making digital assets secure and accessible for millions around the world. My role at Luno is managing the strategic business enablement and experience team, which brings together customer insights, customer data, and business optimization. One CX improvement that we are really proud of is how we managed to implement Zendesk Copilot features by bringing the people along the journey. We made them feel confident and comfortable that AI is there to support them and not to replace them. Zendesk as a partner has been absolutely amazing. They have really come to the forefront by being innovative, by understanding our landscape, by understanding our environment, by understanding our pain points, and have really partnered with us to be able to provide us what we need to deliver a great customer experience